What do you guys have planned for 2020?
2020.
2020, I'm hoping Premiere Pro would upload.
Shit. Dude, you know what?
I've been trying.
You may be wondering who the hell we are. So here's a proper introduction. So that's Kevin, the motivational one. That's Victor, Mr. Nice Guy. And that's me, the goofball.
Let's go back to our first trip to LA.
We started 2 years ago as a group trip. Snuck into these cliffs overlooking the city. At that moment, we knew these were the type of adventures we wanted to chase.
That trip sparked a fire inside all of us.
After LA, we decided to form a group, inspiring people to follow their passions.
And that was when Transcenders was born. Soon after, we planned our first creative trip together. We decided to explore the Northwest.
We landed in San Fran,
Ran through Cypress Tree Tunnel,
And witnessed coastlines as far as the eyes can see.
caught the ocean breeze at Samuel H. Boardman,
Look at these dope drone shots. Also crashed one too many times. Made it to the deepest lake in America,
went cliff diving into Crater Lake. That was freezing.
and even attempted a backflip. Probably did one of the hardest hikes yet, just to chase some waterfalls.
and finally, we walked on the infamous abandoned Vance Creek Bridge.
Well, some of us crawled.
Probably the most terrifying thing we've all done.
And all this led to us posting our first YouTube video. And last year, we filmed our friend's wedding. It happened to be good enough that we started Transcendent Wedding Films. Got booked for our first wedding, then another, then another.
And now we're fully booked for 2020.
Well, if that wasn't enough, we started our own media company called Transcenders Media.
Working on multiple projects for several clients ranging anywhere from fitness, fashion, to music.
Mixing in our own photography and videography services for our local clients.
This has allowed us to meet some new artists, upcoming artists, and well-known ones.
It was time for another trip.
This time, we brought the girls and hit up the Midwest.
We started off at Antelope Canyon, where we got our profile picture from.
Caught sunset at Horseshoe Bend.
Hiked up to the top of Angel's Landing. I was glad we made it.
Rocked out at Valley of Fire.
And ended our trip here. So remember these hoodies? Yeah, so we made some for us. Quickly sold 100 and decided to keep making more. So what's next for us? In 2020, we want to push our limits.
I think for 2020, we should do something crazy. What's up, guys? So for 2020, we're gonna do something crazy.
We are going to be posting a video every single week on Tuesday at 7 a.m.
You're going to see a lot of good content like photography, filmmaking, and also more videos, behind the scenes and settings and stuff that we use.